welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make no-bake Nutella chocolate chip cookies. It is a very easy recipe using a frying pan. You can arrange this recipe in many ways. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You just need 5 ingredients. You need a butter at a room temperature or you can microwave to make it softened. Add granulated sugar. Mix with a whisk until creamy. Now add Nutella. Eye measurement is okay. Mix very well. Sift in cake flour or all-purpose flour. Mix well with a spatula or you can use your hands. Now last but not least, add chocolate chips. Shape into a small ball. Place it on the frying pan and press and flatten out with your fingers. Cook on low for 15 minutes. You don't have to flip them over. Let cool in the pan until completely cool and set. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
「このクッキーがまた見事な完成具合で本当に美味しいんです。一応保存するときはシリカゲル入りのタッパーみたいなのに入れて保存してください。そしたらサクサクが保てます。いただきます。やっぱり2日目になってしまうとちょっとしっとりしちゃうんだけど、これがまたチューイークッキーみたいでめっちゃ美味しいです。ぜひ作ってみてください。またね。バイバイ。あ、すごい。バイバイってやってる。